Scientists did an amazing research. They took a grasshopper who was taking a jump, 10 feet jump. If a grasshopper was taking a jump from here, after 10 feet he was landing on the earth, on ground. So what scientists did, they kept that grasshopper in 6 by 6 glass box, 6 feet by 6 feet glass box, and they kept that grasshopper for 1 week. After 1 week, the same grasshopper was taking a jump of 10 feet. Now that grasshopper was taking a jump of 6 feet. Grasshopper jump was reduced from 10 feet to 6 feet. Again they did an experiment. They kept the same grasshopper in 4 by 4 box, 4 by 4 glass box, 4 feet by 4 feet glass box, and once again after 1 week the grasshopper jump was reduced from 6 feet to 4 feet. Third time they did the same experiment and they kept that grasshopper in 2 by 2 feet by 2 feet glass box, and after 1 week grasshopper was taking a jump of 2 feet. Just imagine, from 10 feet to 6 feet, 6 to 4, 4 to 2 feet. What is the result of that whole story? The result is that if you are making your mind, you will achieve accordingly. If you are thinking big, if your dreams are big, your wishes are big, so simultaneously, similarly, you will be taking action according to that. So that is the main thing. So your mind is just like that box. So what you are keeping in your mind box, so that you will be getting in your life. Greeting from Spoken English Masterclass YouTube channel. My name is Abid and today we are going to do our Spoken English practice number 27. If you are new on this channel, if you are watching first time this channel and you want to improve your spoken English, your confidence level, your fluency, please subscribe this channel, click on the bell icon, and you can watch all previous spoken English practices from spoken English practice number 1 till spoken English practice number 26. And today we are going to do spoken English practice number 27. And what is the method, how you can do that practice? Please watch previous video so you will better understand how to do that practice. Now we are moving to do our spoken English practice number 27, and the topic for that is hobbies. What is your hobby? Question number 2. Why do people have hobbies? Question number 3. Why did you start your hobby? Question number 4. Can you make money from doing your hobby? Question number 5. How many hours a week do you spend on your hobby? 6. Is your hobby safe or dangerous? 7. What is a hobby? Question number 7. Why do people need hobbies? 8. Do you spend money on your hobby? 9. Does your hobby influence your choice of friends? Question number 10. How long have you had your hobby? 11. Which hobbies are the most expensive? Question number 12. Which hobbies are the cheapest? Question number 13. Which hobbies cost nothing at all? Question number 14. What are some good hobbies? Question number 15. What you suggest that if any of your friend is asking you about a hobby? This was a spoken English practice number 27. You can watch all videos and practice. I am getting very good feedback from people. They are improving a lot. And why I'm making this video, so I want to help you, because a lot of students ask me, sir, we are not getting a friend to do our spoken English practice, and this is the big problem. And again I'm going to tell you, please first of all work on your fluency, then on accuracy. And this is very easy way to practice for spoken English. Thank you very much. Goodbye.